Welcome back to the channel. So I have to show you guys something I recently picked up that has honestly become one of my favorite little finds of the year. You know when you're scrolling and you see something that looks super expensive and high-end, but then you see the price and you're like, there is no way this is going to look that good in person? Well, I took the gamble on these vintage-style round rhinestone drop earrings, and I am actually kind of blown away. I've been wearing them for a few days now, and I wanted to give you the honest breakdown of the quality, the fit, and how they actually look when you're out and about. First off, let's talk about the vibe. These have this incredible retro court-style feel to them. They aren't just plain studs, they have this intricate floral-inspired design with these tiny green and red rhinestone accents right in the center, surrounded by a halo of clear rhinestones. It gives off this very regal, almost heirloom quality, like something you'd find in a vintage boutique or even your grandmother's jewelry box, but without that heavy, old-fashioned weight. They're made of a zinc alloy, which is great because it keeps them lightweight. That's a huge pro for me because I can't stand earrings that pull on my lobes after an hour. I've worn these for a full 8-hour workday and honestly forgot I had them on. In terms of style and versatility, they are surprisingly easy to pair with things. I first wore them with just a simple black turtleneck and jeans, and they immediately elevated the whole look. But then I tried them with a more formal dress for a dinner party, and they fit right in there too. The golden finish is really warm. It doesn't have that cheap yellow look that some budget jewelry has. It looks like a soft, brushed gold. Now, for the cons, because I always want to be real with you guys. Since they are zinc alloy and rhinestones, you do want to be careful with water and perfume. I wouldn't recommend wearing these in the shower or spraying your hairspray right onto them, just to make sure that finish stays nice and bright. Also, if you have extremely sensitive ears, just keep in mind these aren't solid gold or sterling silver, though I haven't had any irritation myself. One little tip. If you're planning on gifting these, they are perfect for birthdays, or even as a just because gift because they look so much more expensive than they actually are. I've actually linked this exact pair in the description below and in the pinned comment so you can check out the current price. Speaking of which, I have a coupon code for you guys to get a solid discount on your order, so make sure you use that at checkout to save some extra cash. Overall, for the price point, the detail on these is just wild. The mosaic work with the rhinestones is really precise, and they catch the light beautifully. If you're looking for a way to add some vintage glam to your daily outfits without breaking the bank, these are a total win. Don't forget to check the links below, and if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product deep dives.